Good morning to all of you. I am Kritika Paliwal and welcome to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. Today we will do the question and answers of chapter number 11 of our English literature, and the name of the chapter is The Four Seasons. Okay, and it is a poem, as you know. In the previous lectures, we have done the reading, explanation, book exercise, new words and word meanings. Now it's time for us to do the last thing of the chapter, and that is the questions and answers. Alright, for that you need to open your English notebook and start writing. So we'll begin our writing by writing the index. Okay, so write down the index in the index page. So here serial number, whatever going on, today's date, topic is chapter 11, question answer. Okay, in short you need to write this down. Let me just adjust the camera so that the board is visible. Yes. Okay, so write down these things in your notebook, in the index page of your notebook, and soon we will begin writing the questions and answers. Okay, so please note this down fast. Okay, I guess it is done. Now open a new page of your notebook and write down the heading. Number C. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, in which season do flowers bloom? Okay, you need to answer the name of the season in which flowers bloom. So, I guess you know the answer very well, na? In which season do flowers bloom? Let's first write the question and then we will write the answer. So, I capital, in which, WHICH, which season do flowers bloom? BLOOM and a question mark. Okay, in which season do flowers bloom? So we know flowers bloom in the spring season, right? They do not bloom in summer, winter or autumn season. They bloom in the spring season. कौन से सीजन में फूल खिलते हैं? बहुत सारे फूल खिलते हैं in the spring season, right? So let's write the answer. So answer on this side of the margin, F capital, FLOWER is flowers bloom in the spring season. Okay, flowers bloom in the spring season. Question number note this down fast. If you need more time, you can pause the screen right here when I am getting a sat. Okay. So flowers bloom in the spring season. The next question is, that's an extra question that is made by me. Question says, how many times, according to the poet, okay, according to the poet मतलब जिन poet ने ये जो poem है वो लिखी है, उनके according, उन्होंने जैसा poem में लिखा है उसके according, seasons कितनी बार बदलते हैं एक साल में? According to the poet, how many times do the seasons change in a year? Okay, so that we need to answer. ACCORDING, according to the poet, how many times do the seasons change in a year? In a year? Question mark. Answer is, okay, so what is the answer? Answer is, seasons change 4 times in a year. Okay, so the seasons change 4 times in a year. Okay, the seasons change 4 times in a year. Alright, please note this down fast. And one thing that I forgot to tell you that you should remember is to write down the date on the top of the page of your notebook. Okay, date is must. Please write it down if you have not yet written. Okay, जिस भी डेट पर आप ये सब लिख रहे हैं वो डेट आप जरूर मेंशन करिए अपने पेज के टॉप में जहाँ पर डेट का आपको स्पेस दिया हुआ है. राइट, देयर इज अ वन बॉक्स in which date is written. Please note down the date there. Okay, now you please write peacefully. sorting it out. So question number 3. Question number 3 is from your book. What does the speaker mean by full of sun? Speaker, what is the meaning of speaker here? Speaker का मतलब क्या है? Speaker वो है जो हमें पोएम में सारे सीजन्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं और वो है इस पोएम के पोएट. तो बेसिकली speaker means the poet of the poem, alright? In this poem particularly. So, full of sun. There is one line in your poem, right? In the summer stanza. Summer is hot, it's full of sun. So, full of sun का basically meaning ये होता है कि हमसे पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन में what does the speaker mean by full of sun? So, those 3 words mean that the sun is shining brightly all through the day in the summer season. Okay, so this is what the speaker means by full of sun. So let's write the same answer here on the board and in your notebook. So question number 3. What does the speaker mean? By full of sun. Okay. So answer is, if you have not written this, please write it down first because I need to rub it out. Okay. So we will begin the answer by, like from here. By full of sun. By full of sun. The speaker means that the sun shines brightly all through the day in the summer season. In the summer season. Okay. Okay, now you must be thinking that the answer is quite big. Okay, yeah, it is big, but this is how we can, tell the full meaning of the sentence by using all these words. So, by full of sun, the speaker means, full of sun से speaker का ये मतलब है कि the sun shines brightly all through the day. Okay, पूरे समर सीजन में जो डे का टाइम होता है उसमें सन बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइटली शाइन करता है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द डेज आर वेरी वेरी हॉट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द होल समर सीजन इज वेरी हॉट. ओके, so this is what the answer is telling us. So please write this down. I'll write the Next question, what happens in fall? So question number 4 can be written here only. Question number 4, what happens in fall? What happens in fall? Okay, so the question is asking कि जो fall season है, autumn season, what happens there? Fall season में क्या होता है? So basically the leaves fall down in fall season, right? All the trees shed their worn out leaves in the fall season. Okay, so in the poem it is written that the leaves fall down. So we will write the same. Answer is the leaves fall down in fall. Okay, so you need to write down the same answer. Please note it down first and we'll do the last question, and here we will end up the question and answers. Pause the screen. Okay, pause the screen if you need. I will rub all the answer 3 and it's question 2. Okay. Now the last question, that is question number 5 and question number 4 in your book. List 3 things that we do in winter. So we have to write down 3 things that we basically do in the winter season. Okay, and you can write your own 3 things or we can write the things that are given in the poem. Okay, so in the poem it is given that when winter season is there, we make snowballs, we wear sweater, we skate and skiing. Okay, so these are basically 3 things that we do in winter season. You can write your own things, okay, if you need. Question number 5. List 3 things that we do in winter. List 3 things that we do in winter. So basically it is not a question, okay? The sentence is telling us to list all the things down. Question नहीं है ये कोई, ठीक है? हमें कहा गया है कि हमें वो सारी चीज़ों की लिस्ट यहाँ लिखनी है. Basically 3 things हमें लिखनी है जो हम winter season में करते हैं. Now, question mark is not here because this sentence is not an interrogative sentence. All right. So therefore, the question mark will not come here. Let's write the answer. So, things that we do in winter. From here we will begin writing our answer. So, things that we do in winter. Things, things that we do in winter. That we do in winter are. Okay, the first thing. We wear sweater, na? Right? So we wear sweater. And gloves also you can write. Number 2. In the places where snow falls, people make snowballs. So we can write the same here also. We make snowballs. And third thing is we skate and ski. Okay, and here your questions and answers of this chapter are over. Yeah, we can make some extra questions too, like what is another name for autumn? So another word for autumn is fall. And in which season do the colors change? So the colors change in the autumn season. Similarly, in which season do we make snowballs? So the answer is winter season. इस टाइप के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आपको एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं. Don't worry, I will try to give all those objective questions, all those extra objective questions in the worksheet. Okay, so for now you just note it down, and yeah, here after a minute or two I'll wind up the lecture. Okay, so you can pause the screen here only if you need. Okay, so आप screen pause करके लिख लीजिएगा. Now it's time for me to go, and we will meet in the next lecture with a grammar chapter. Okay. So till then, just take care of yourself, complete your work, study hard because exam time is near. Okay, bye bye.